How you can sleep on your back comfortably and peacefully. Sleeping on your back correctly would not only avoid unnecessary strain on your spine, but would also give you sound sleep. Learn how to sleep on your back comfortably, or you'd end up inviting old age much earlier. Most assuredly. Using a pillow. The most important tip is to use a pillow under the knees and the lower back. Lying flat on back could invite countless spine disorders, and hence, in order to avoid strain, the use of a soft, comfy pillow is a must. Did you know that a pillow is not just meant for comfort, but it also keeps the alignment of the spine naturally stable? A pillow, around 4 to 6 inches in height, comforts head and neck, rendering sound sleep. During pregnancy. For a pregnant woman, the sleeping techniques are often misconstrued. It is okay if you sleep on your back when pregnant, but only through the first trimester. Obstetricians suggest sleeping on the side over sleeping on the back during pregnancy, simply because sometimes, sleeping on the back may cause shortage of breath, possibly limiting oxygen supply to the baby as well. Avoid snoring. Many people can't help but snore, even while they're sleeping on their side. To minimize annoying others in the bedroom, you could prop up your abdomen by putting something soft under your back, a pillow or rolled up bed sheet, for instance. You would be astonished to hear that there are anti-snoring pillows available in the market that successfully reduce your snoring, even while you sleep on the back. Bad mornings, with a painful stomachache and neck sprain could ruin your entire schedule for the day. Hence, sleeping in a comfortable position would not only prove to be comfortable, but would also keep aches and sprains at bay. The key here is to use a super comfy pillow, and a dream catcher. Pillow eyes on a quick snuggle, sound sleep awaits you. Time to cop some Z's. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to get more tips.